Hi guys, welcome to PrinHeart. Hope you're good. Today we're going to do some crochet work. Today we're making a chair pullover cover. This pattern goes with the box block stitch, which is stretchable. So let's get into it. These are the things we need. I'm using wool thread. You can get it in any store. I'm using double thread here because I want a larger thread, so I'm going to use double thread. And the hook I'll be using is 5mm, which is an 8H. Starting off, tie the two threads together and make a loop. The stitch pattern we are working with requires a base of 5 plus 3 according to your chair's width or height size. The chair I'm working with today requires a 38 cm. So without the border I'm going to do 36. So here I have to make 63 chains. To make the chain, just have to insert the hook through the loop, yarn over, pull. Now repeat it the same way till you reach 63 chains. And we're going to make single crochet into each of these stitches. You have to insert your hook through the loop, yarn over, pull. You have two threads in your hook now, yarn over and pull through the loops. Again, insert your hook, yarn over, pull. You have two threads in your hook, yarn over, pull through the loops. This is single crochet. And you have to make these single crochets till the end, like so. Now I'm doing the last stitch. Finishing off, have to chain 1 and turn your work. Now we're going to do the same way. Make a single crochet in the first stitch. Again in the next stitch. Now you have to chain 3. After, leave 3 stitches and make single crochet in the next 2 stitches. It will create a loop, as you can see, and you have to repeat that till you reach to the end. Now I'm in the end, making the last single crochet, chain 2 and turn your work. Now we're gonna make double crochets. Yarn over, put your hook through the loop, yarn over, pull. You have 3 loops in your hook now, yarn over and pull through 2 strings. 1, 2. Now you have 2 loops in your hook, yarn over and pull through the 2 hoops. That is a double crochet. You have to make 5 double crochets in each of these loops. Continuing that way, I'll meet you at the end. Now I'm going through the last hoop and make 1 double crochet in the last stitch. Then chain 1 and turn your work. Now just like before, you have to make 2 single crochets in the first 2 stitches, chain 3, leave 3 stitches, make 2 single crochets in the next 2 stitches. You have to continue the same way till you reach 2 steps. Now we are going to change color. Same way, I'm going to take double black color, pull in the next color through the loop and pull the red and make it tight. And the same way, chain 1 with the new color and turn your work. And you just have to continue the same pattern with the new color. Continue the same pattern, change the colors till you reach the size you require. Don't worry about these strings because it will be taken care of when we make the border. When you change the color, make sure not to pull it so tight because it will ruin the design. So keep it loose like so. So finishing up like that, I have the size which I require, which is 38 to 36 with 9 stacks. Now I'm going to finish this off by doing single crochet in the last every stitch. Make a slip stitch in the end and fasten off the thread. Rest is continued in the next video.